Hi children, good morning. Yesterday we have learned the method of elimination by substitution and some examples in our methods of solving the given simultaneous linear equations. In general, we have four methods of solving the given simultaneous linear equations. The first one is method of elimination by substitution, that is yesterday over. Today, method of elimination by equating the coefficients, and another one, method of cross multiplication. After completion of method of cross multiplication, we have another method, that is a method of solving the given simultaneous linear equation by using graphs, graphical solutions. So after the completion of coordinate plane, we have to learn that particular situation. In 8th class it will complete. After the completion, that method we have learned there. That is another scope for that one. Next, now coming to second method, that is method of elimination by equating the coefficients. In this method, we eliminate one of the variables to obtain an equation in one variable. Their substitution, first equation and second equation, among first and second equations, we need to convert the one in terms of another one in substitution method. Now, elimination method, we need to eliminate one of the variable to obtain an equation in one variable which can easily solved. Okay, by putting the value of this variable in any one of the given equations, the value of other variable can be obtained. Okay, this is very easy method. Then come back to substitution. Substitution somewhat difficult. Sometimes the complex coefficients are given me, that is somewhat tough. This is the easiest one. Okay, in algorithm, stepwise analysis, first step, obtain the two equations. Mean let the two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 be the two given equations. Second one, multiply the equation so as to make the coefficient of variable to be eliminated equal. I'll take an example here. Here x plus y equal to 6 table. Here 2x minus 3y equal to 5 something value. Multiply the equations so as to make the coefficient of the variable to be eliminated equal. Here x coefficient 1, here x coefficient 2, here y coefficient 1, here y is minus 3. Here either x coefficient or y coefficient we need to multiply so as to make the coefficient of the variable to be eliminated. For example, this coefficient will be multiplied with 2, then it becomes 2x. Now here also 2x we have. Okay, at that situation we can eliminate one of the variable by adding or subtracting the equations obtained in step 2 according as the terms having the same coefficients are of opposite or the same side. Here if you multiply by 2, then this equation becomes 2x plus 2y equal to 6. Here 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Here the given terms the equal coefficients we got now. For elimination of x, if they have opposite sign, then we can cancel this one. So if you subtract plus 2x becomes minus 2x. At the situation they will be cancelled. That is only he is saying. If you want to change y value, it is multiplied with 3, then it becomes 3x plus 3y equal to 6. The second equation 2x minus 3y equal to 5 we have. Here plus 3y minus 3y. If you subtract, minus becomes plus. At that situation we want to cancel these two. If you add now, plus 3y and minus 3y get cancelled. That is only he is saying. Add or subtract the equation obtained in step 2 according as the terms having the same coefficient. First of all, we need to convert into the same variable coefficients by multiplying. Next, okay, after step 3, coming to the step 4, solve the equation in one variable obtained in step 3. Okay, after the elimination of the one of the variable, the equation converted in terms of simple linear equation. In step 5, substitute the value found in step 4. Means after solving the given simple linear, after getting the simple linear equation, the value of x or y, substitute in any of the equation. Okay, not any in particular one or two. In any of the equation, then find the value of the other variable. For example, our simple linear equation in x we got mean, after finding the value of x, we need to substitute in any of the equation to get the value of y. Okay. Now the values of the variables in step 4 and 5 constitute the solution of a simultaneous linear equation. Constitute the solution of the simultaneous linear equation. Okay, now some examples we will learn now. Now, example, solve 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y equal to 4. 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Okay, by using elimination method, let 3x plus 2y equal to 11 be the first, and 2x plus 3y equal to 4 be the second equation. Now coefficients are different. Here x coefficient 3, here 2. Here y coefficient 2, here 3. For equating these two coefficients, I will multiply first equation by 2. Means 2 into 3x plus 2y equal to 2 into 11. Now it becomes 6x plus 4y equal to 22. That is third equation. Now equation 2 into 3. Because LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. For getting 6, first equation we multiplied with 2, second equation we multiplied with 3. So 3 into 2x plus 3y equal to 3 into 4. Now 3 to 6x, 3 3 is 9y, 3 4s 12. Be the fourth equation. Now third, from third and fourth equations, here 6x plus 4y equal to 22. Here 6x plus 9y equal to 12. Now these two coefficient of x are equal with the same side. That's why we need to subtract these. Minus, it becomes minus. Subtraction of two expressions. Now 6x and 6x get cancelled. Now 4 minus 9 equal to minus 5y. Here 22 minus 12 equal to 10. Here y equal to 10 by minus 5. That is minus 2. Now substitute y equal to minus 2 in first or second equation. Yours. In first equation mean 3 into x plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 11. Here 3x minus 4 equal to 11. Here 3x equal to 15. X equal to 15 by 3. That is 5. Now the solution is 5 comma minus 2. The solution is 5 comma minus 2. Must see here. First example, 3x plus 2y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y equal to 4 they give. The coefficients of x in first equation is 3, second equation is 2. Coefficient of y also in first equation 2, second equation 3. They are not equal. We need to equal them by multiplying with their LCM, right? Forgetting their LCM. So here LCM is 6, that's why multiply with first equation by 2, second equation by 3. Now we got 6x plus 4y equal to 22 and 6x plus 9y equal to 12. Now we got the coefficient of x same. They have same side, that's why we need to subtract for getting eliminated x. So 4 minus 9 equal to minus 5y equal to 10, y equal to minus 2. If you substitute y in first and second equations for getting the value of x, here we got the solution, final solution as 5 comma minus 2. Okay, next example. Eight x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Let 8x plus 5y equal to 9 be the first equation. 3x plus 2y equal to 4 be the second equation. Here x coefficient 8, here 3, here y coefficient 5, here 2. So now we need to equal the y coefficient. Your wish, either x or y. Already we completed with x, that's why now I will take y. So LCM 10, that's why for getting 10, first equation multiplied with 2. So 2 of 8x plus 5y equal to 2 into 9. Then it becomes 16x plus 10y equal to 18. Third equation. Now second equation by 5. So 5 of 3x plus 2y equal to 5 into 4. So 3 5 is 15, x plus 5 to 10y equal to 20. 16x plus 10y equal to 18. 15x plus 10y equal to 20. Now we got the same coefficient of y with same sign. That's why again we need to subtract. Here 10 by 10 will cancel. 16x minus 15x equal to x. 18 minus 20 equal to minus 2. Now substitute x equal to minus 2 in any one of the equation. Substitute in 2. Now 3 into minus 2 plus 2y equal to 4. Here minus 6 plus 2y equal to 4. 2y equal to 10 and y equal to 5. So here x, y values minus 2 comma 5 is the solution. Minus 2 comma 5 is the solution. Eight x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4 they gave. Let first and second equations. Here the coefficient of x 8 and 3, coefficient of y 5 and 2. Now I need to equal the coefficient of y by multiplying first equation by 2, second equation by 5. Here we got 16x plus 10y equal to 18 and 15x plus 10y equal to 20. Now we got the same coefficient of y with the same sign. That's why again we need to subtract for getting eliminated y. Now 16x minus 15x equal to x. 80 minus 20 equal to minus 2. Substitute the value of x in either first or second equations. I substituted in second. So 3 into minus 2 plus 2y equal to 4, minus 6 plus 2y equal to 4, minus 6 becomes plus 6, that's why 6 plus 4, 10. 2y equal to 10 means y equal to 5, 10 by 2. Now the values of x and y are minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5. Next, third equation. Third one, 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equal to minus 1. 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 8. Okay, here x not equal to 0 and y should not be equal to 0 condition, because in denominator parts there. Now solution, let 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equal to minus 1 be the first equation. 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 8 be the second equation. Now the coefficient of 1 by x and 1 by y, reciprocal relations. Here instead of 1 by x, substitute small a. Instead of 1 by y, substitute b. Now the equations become here 1 by 2 a minus b equal to minus 1. Here a plus 1 by 2b equal to 8. Here third and fourth equations. Here 1 by 2a minus b equal to minus 1, a plus 1 by b equal to 8. Coefficient of a, here 1 by 2, here 1. Coefficients of b, here 1, here 1 by 2. There is no change in the first equation, half a minus b equal to minus 1. If you multiply both the equation by half, it becomes half of a plus 1 by 2b equal to 8 into half. Now half a plus half into half 1 by 4b equal to 8 into half equal to 4. Now write this equation, half a minus b equal to minus 1. Now coefficient of a are same with the same sign, that's why subtract. Here half a get cancel. Here 1 plus 1 by 4, 5 by 4 b equal to 5. by 1. Now b equal to 4. b equal to 4. Now substitute b equal to 4 in third equation. Substitute b equal to 4 in equation 3. Here half minus 4 equal to minus 1. Half a. Half a equal to 3. Okay, a equal to 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. We don't want the values of a and b. We want the values of x and y. So there is a relation between x and a here. Here 1 by x is a. So here x is 1 by a, that is 1 by 6. Y is 1 by b, that is 1 by 4. Now the solution is 1 by 6 comma 1 by 4. The solution is 1 by 6 and 1 by 4. Now one of the important equations is 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equal to 1 minus 1 they gave. 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 8 they gave. Here x and y are not equal to 0 because they are in denominators part. Here 1 by x equal to a and 1 by b equal to b. Here the given equation turns into half a minus b equal to minus 1, a plus half b equal to 8. Now we need to eliminate either a or b. Here coefficient of a half and 1, here coefficient of b also half and 1. That's why for getting the coefficient of a equal, we need to multiply the fourth equation by 2. Then it becomes half a plus 1 by 4 b equal to 4. The third equation, half a minus b equal to minus 1 we have. Now we got the coefficient of a with the same sign, with same coefficient. That's a subtract. After subtraction we got the value of b as 4. By substituting the value in third equation, you will get the value of a is 6. For solving the given equations, we need to get the values of x and y. But we got the values a and b. But we have one relation between a and b. That is 1 by x equal to a, x equal to 1 by a, 1 by y equal to b, y equal to 1 by b. Reciprocal relation. Here b is 4 mean y is 1 by 4. A is 6 mean x is 1 by 6. Here 1 by 6 and 1 by 4 is the solution for the given simultaneous linear equations. Okay, next. Fourth one, by x plus 3 by 2y equal to 1 by 6. Next 3 by x plus 3 by y equal to 3 by x plus 2 by y equal to 0. Let 2 by x plus 3 by 2y equal to 1 by 6. The first one. 3 by x plus 2 by y equal to 0 be the second one. Taking 1 by x equal to p and 1 by y equal to q, then the first equation becomes 2 into 1 by x means 2p plus 3 by 2 into 1 by y equal to 3 by 2q equal to 1 by 6. Next 3 into 1 by x 3p plus 2 into 1 by y 2q equal to 0. Third and fourth equations. Earlier we equated A, now second version, that is Q. Here, okay, 3 by 2 on the complex table, that's why I'll take again this one. Equation 3 by 3. Now 3 to 6p plus it is multiplied by 3 means 3 is 9 by 2 q equal to 3 by 6. Next equation 4 by 2. 3 to 6 plus 2 to 4 0. Same channel, subtract 6p get cancelled. 9 by 2 means 4 and half minus 4 means half q equal to 1 by 2 means q value 1. Now substitute q in fourth equation, then 3p plus 2 equal to 0, 2 into 1. Here 3p equal to 2, p equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 minus 2. Now the value of x is 1 by b, that is minus 3 by 2. The value of y is 1. Reciprocal of 1 also 1 only. The solution is minus 3 by 2 comma 1. Minus 3 by 2 comma 1. Two by x plus 3 by 2y equal to 1 by 6. 3 by x plus 2y equal to 2 by y equal to 0. They gave. Okay, here taking 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. The equation converted into qx plus 2b plus 3 by 2 q equal to 1 by 6, and 3p plus 2 by y equal to q mean 2q equal to 0. Here coefficient of p is 2. In the fourth equation, coefficient of p is 3. That's why first equation we multiply with 3, and it becomes 6p plus 9q by 2 equal to 3 into 1 by 6, 3 by 6. And second equation by 2 mean 2, 3, 6, 2 to 4, and 0, 2 are 0. By subtracting first to second, we get half q equal to 1 by 2, q is 1. Substituting q value in fourth equation, 3p plus 2 equal to 0, p equal to minus 2, p equal to minus 2 by 3. We want the value of x. Reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is minus 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. The solution is next. The equation, the last one. Fifth, 8v minus 3u equal to 5uv 6v minus 5u equal to minus 2uv. For solving this system, clearly the given equations are not linear in one variable u and v, because the degree of u is 2. But we can reduce it into linear equations by appropriate substitution. So for example, 8v minus 3u minus 5uv divided by uv, then becomes 8v by uv, 3u by uv, 5uv by u. Now u get cancelled, 8 by u, u get cancelled, 3 by v, 5. First equation. And second equation also, 6v by uv minus 5u by uv equal to minus 2uv by uv. Becomes 6 by u minus 5 by v equal to minus 2. That is second equation. Now by taking 1 by u equal to x and 1 by v equal to y, now the equation becomes 8x minus dy equal to minus 5, 8x minus dy equal to 5, and 6x minus 5y equal to minus. So I got the fourth equations. Coefficients are all not equal. So here I will multiply the equation by 2. 5. Okay, here the coefficients are different. Here we multiply by 5. then 8 5 is 40x minus 3 5 is 15y, here 5 5 is 25. Equation 4 by 3. Now 6 3 is 18x minus 3 5 is 15y, 3 2 6. Same sign, that's why subtract. 15 by 15 by get cancel. 40 minus 18, 22. X equal to 33. 31. Now x equal to 31 by 22. Now substitute x equal to 31 by 22 in third or fourth equations. Third in 8 into 31 by 22 minus 3y equal to 5. Here 8 into 31 minus 66y equal to 110. 8 is 24 minus 66y equal to 110. Here minus 66y equal to becomes minus 138. So y equal to minus 138 by 66 minus 66. It would be here 69 times, here 33 times. Again retable. Here minus plus 23, here 23 by 11. Okay. By 23. Another one 31 by 22. But we want the values of v and u. So the solution is vu equal to reciprocals. 22 by 31. Here 11 by 23. 11 by 23. Actually, the given system is not a simple linear equation. We need to convert in terms of simple linear by substituting. By dividing with u by v both sides, then becomes 8 by u minus 3 by v equal to 5, 6 by u minus 5 by v equal to minus 2. Earlier model, taking 1 by u and 1 by v as x and y. After solving x, we got 31 by 22 and y as 23 by 11. By substituting these values, reciprocal relation between v and 1 by x. So v is 22 by 31, u is 11 by 23. Okay, bye.